To the first item, the very first item in our stockpile giveaway. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, in today's video that I have for you. It is the first day of February 2018. Box week. So really quick, if you have no idea who I am, who's this woman yelling at me? Hi, I'm Drew. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And box week is the best week every single month on my YouTube channel because the 1 week every single month that me and my subscribers spend 7 consecutive days together. Yes, there'll be a new video every single day for 7 days. So really quick, if you're not already in the Just Like Drew crew, I don't know what you're doing. Click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew because anybody and everybody can be in our crew and you won't miss second at box week. It's a lot of fun. We comment back and forth with each other. We make friends. We hang out. It's a lot. Seriously, it's the best. It is my favorite week every month because I get to spend it with my YouTube family. Okay, so without further ado, we're going to get into tonight's unboxing. And tonight we're going to be opening up the subscription that actually started the subscription craze on my YouTube channel. And that would be the Ipsy subscription. So Ipsy is a $10 monthly beauty subscription. I will put a code down below for you to check it out for yourself if you're interested after watching this video and you're like, hey, I want to try Ipsy for myself. Click the link below, get yourself Ipsy. It is $10 a month. Ipsy is the one subscription I always recommend to people who are looking for a new subscription to check out if they want to get started in subscriptions, period. The reason why Ipsy is amazing for the fact that every single month, you get 5 items in the beauty world that are customized to you. Your hair color, your skin tone, hairstyle, everything like that. You can always change it. You can rate products and switch it up. It's really, really cool. They give nail polish, skincare, everything. It's awesome. So without any more crazy introduction, I am going to open this up, which apparently I'm struggling to do right now. Oh my God. Oh my God. Someone like super Gorilla glued this thing shut for me today. And every single month there is a unique looking bag. Ipsy bags, I love them. I love using them as little like to-go bags, whatever. So I'm going to pull this out and we're going to reveal the bag together. Oh my, this was unexpected. It's got this nice little lace topping on it. It's a little bit like flirtatious and sexy. I kind of like it. There's something inside the actual bag on the outside. So I'm going to grab that out and see what it is now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Face mask. Okay, sorry. I am a face mask junkie. If you're a regular here, you know that I forgot. Look at, oh my God, and they're BioBell. BioBell is a phenomenal face mask brand. I love BioBell. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I love this. Okay, let me open it up here and see what we got. All right, so we actually got 2 BioBell face masks, and these are primer face masks. You put these on before you do your makeup. You rinse it off. It's supposed to give you like flawless makeup application. I believe I used this once before. They gave me 2 of them. That is so amazing, exciting. Well, I didn't think I'd be doing this soon, but I guess I will let you guys know. So starting today, I have actually decided that when I do my unboxings, you guys always ask me, what do you do with all this stuff? You get so many boxes. There's no way you use it all. You're right. I don't use all the products. I usually give a good majority of things away. And I've decided that instead of just like going around and giving it to like random people, I am going to start a stockpile on my YouTube channel. And every time we do an unboxing, if I get something in there that I feel like I would rather give away than keep, I am going to be putting it inside of this box right here. This is an old Tarte box that I received from something I bought from them forever ago. And we're going to create a stockpile. And once we feel like this is full enough, we're going to just give it away to one of my subscribers on YouTube. So subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out when we do this awesome giveaway. So the first item, the very first item in our stockpile giveaway is going to be a BioBell face mask. All right, and we'll see if there's anything else in this bag that we want to give away. And like I said, be watching the rest of this box week, and in the next month or 2, we'll be giving it away, so you never know. You can watch the stockpile grow, get excited, be like, yes, girl. So now we're going to get into the actual bag. All right, so it has a little card in here. It says unzipped. Being sexy isn't limited to a certain size, shape, or age. I love that. I love that they have women of all demographic shapes and sizes and men as well. Yes, go Ipsy. I love you for this right now. All right, and so we're going to get into the bag and see what's in here. So the first item I'm pulling out of my bag is a Luxie eyeshadow brush, and it looks like it is a brush where you could use for blending on this side, and this side you could actually use to pack on eyeshadow. So a brush like this I would take, especially like shimmery tones, and use that like this, and this I could use to blend. So that is actually a really nice brush. I'm excited about that. All right, the next item we got, ooh, okay, this is an Ofra. It's Ipsy Unzipped. It's a liquid lipstick. I am not even gonna lie am so excited right now. I have been like completely hooked on Ofra lipsticks. Like every time I get an Ofra lipstick, I'm like, yes, girl, yes. So I'm really excited. We got this today. This is Ofra Unzipped. It's Ipsy, and it says if you go on Ofra's website, ofracosmetics.com, and use the code Ipsy30, they will give you 30% off. So let's swatch this and see what the color looks like. Oh my gosh, isn't that beautiful? I love, 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 love this pinky purple tone. That is amazing. All right, the next item we have in here is Justlikedrew, and it is a mini eye pencil in Swiss chocolate. So this is a mini eye pencil in Swiss chocolate. I don't know how to do anything with this. Oh, okay. I was like, I don't know what I'm doing. All right, so this is a Swiss chocolate eye pencil, an eyeliner in a nice brown, which I'm actually happy to get. I've been doing a lot more makeup looks with like gold and brown tones to it. I've actually been getting a lot of nice feedback from you guys on Instagram, and I've really been appreciating that. So I'm excited to add this to my makeup collection. And the next item we have is a mask. It says foiled again. It looks like it is a glittery eyeshadow thing, and it's sealed shut. Oh no. See, this is where we have trouble on my channel. I really struggle with opening things. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got that really fast. I'm so proud of myself right now because I struggle so much. Oh man. Then they have more stuff on the top. Dang it. Seriously right now, this stinks. I mean, I'm glad, okay. I'm actually really glad that they have this sealed so well, but it's like difficult for me to open things. So it's like the struggle is real when I'm like, I'm glad that my stuff's protected from spillage, but I'm also mad that like now I have to look a fool trying to open things on my channel. You know what I mean? So it's like a win-lose situation. I don't know. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to dump a little bit in the cap. Oh, this is like a silver metallic glitter. I can't get it on my finger because my fingers are too big. So I'm going to do it like really goofy knuckle style and rub that in. That is a pretty glitter. Okay, I am really feeling this bag right now. I'm so happy with the items I've gotten. The last couple months it's been a little bit like so this month they definitely came back and like redeemed themselves from any kind of like negative feelings I was having about Ipsy. So to recap, we got the Marsk like loose silver glitter pigment, which you could definitely use for like a situation like I have the gold on my eyelids today. We have the Ipsy Unzipped from Ofra liquid lipstick right there, which is just like the perfect color. We got the 2 BioBell face masks, which I am giving one away to start our stockpile giveaway. And we also got this Luxie number 249 makeup brush. And I'm going to tell you what, I have a lot of makeup brushes. I'm going to put this in the giveaway box too. So we already have 2 items in the stockpile giveaway box. And you know, it might even get full this month. We'll see what happens. So I'm really excited about that. Like I said, oh, also, we got the Justlikedrew brown eyeliner. I'm really excited about this. I hope you guys are excited about it too. You guys always ask me, and I love you guys, and I've been looking for ways I can give back to you, just because I seriously appreciate my subscribers so much. So yeah, so I'm excited about this. I'm really excited about the upcoming like giveaway. We don't know when it's gonna be, just when our like box looks full enough to give away. Yay! All right, so that is all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, make sure you click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew on, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow, because it is day 2 of box week coming up, and we will hopefully be adding more items to our giveaway. All right, talk to you guys so stinking soon. Love you. Bye, goodbye, bye. Tell you, like, I eat a pretty like basic, very repetitive diet, and Justin actually has a really like interesting, like, extravagant diet. He makes